Okay, up here at the top where you have your header with your last name, at the end over here you got to put the page number. So you got to insert a current position, so we have to know what page is for that. Other than that, you got your page break here. You got to issue your citation page. This information you have here is not complete, so we usually don't indicate retrieved at all. So what I want to do is I'm going to select all here, and I'm just clicking these three buttons right over up here in the top left to select. I'm just going to delete it, and actually I'm going to try to delete the whole thing again, because what we want you to do is we want you to type in works cited. We're going to center it, and I'm going to press my enter key. I'm going to go back to left of the line, and then what I want to do here, I'm going to go to references, and manage my sources. Now you already have the book here, and we want to have at least two citations for this. What I'm going to look here, I'm going to see if you have everything set up in here, in which you don't. It's not, well, I can see where you want an electronic source. Really, in this case, it's a book, and you are viewing it online. Okay, so we want to change that to book. And then the author, there's multiple authors to this. So what I want you to look at, let's open up an exact copy of this that I've already created. Okay, I'm going to turn on show all bibliographic fields, which is important. Um, when we have multiple authors, we put the main author first, but we put their last name first, then the first name. Then any other author after that, we put the first name first, then the last name, which is interesting for me always. And then you end it with and the last name. The name of the book is Go All-in-One Computer Concepts and Applications. It was copyrighted in 2017. The book was published in Boston. There's a list of many cities, but you always choose the first one in the list. A publisher is Pearson. And then if you scroll down, we got to put in third edition, and the medium is online. So that indicates we're reviewing the book online. Now it looks like let's see, when I'm doing this, I'm just going to bring this over here. I'm going to copy it over so you can see an example of what it looks like. Okay, so keep in mind when you're doing other things, like websites. So like here, if I look at my website, I'm going to put an author's name, I'm going to put a title, and then I'm going to make sure, show all bibliography fields, that you paste in the URL as well. That's an important aspect. So what will happen, let me just bring this over so you can see what it looks like. I want to click on close. Now what you want to do is you want to go up to bibliography. What you did is you clicked on this, and that's the wrong way of doing it, because it formats it and we can't have it to be a blue text. You can't add color, so we have to insert bibliography, this command down here, and it's going to place everything in, and then we just have to format this to be Times New Roman 12 double spaced and layout spacing after 0. This is the exact same thing you do in your book, chapter 14, and the only thing that's do different is we can add that to our styles so we don't have to keep changing it. Okay, so this is your book, the second list here. You can see, and then look at this book up here, the additional information. So we got to get that